In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error 400 on CFB 25 Team Builder. For this, you can consider these steps. Number 1. Clear browser cache and cookies. Accumulated data can interfere. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to resolve potential conflicts. Number 2. Try a different browser. Compatibility issue might be causing the problem. Test the Team Builder on a different browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. Number 3. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can conflict. Temporarily disable them to see if it is resolve the issue. Number 4. Check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for smoothing cooperation. Ensure you are connected to a reliable network. Number 5. Check for server issues. Your support might be experiencing server problems. Check the official channels for more updates. Number 6. Restart the game or app. Sometimes a simple restart can fix unexpected errors. Number 7. Contact EA support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to EA support for further assistance. They can solve your problem. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.